Hello, my name is Latoya, and today I'm going to show you how I take this planner kit and turn this happy planner from this to this. Keep watching. Hello, and welcome to Planning with Toya B. I'm Latoya. Here, the focus is Plan with Me's planner stickers, hauls, and reviews, as well as mommy hauls and reviews from time to time. Please join our fam. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Now let's get started. So this is our inspiration for this week. That is kit 322. So this is 322C, the sampler, and this is 322AO. That's the strip header, and then this is dates and dots, and it's AO4. And then we have the thick washi, that's AO5, and then we have our thin washi. Now that thin washi is AO6. Now I did realize I forgot AO3 is the individual headers. I forgot to put it up there, my bad. And then we have 226 QT, that's from the 2020 series. Those are the vertical boxes. I use that in my family time. And then these are the sidebars, and I use 2 of them, so those are AO7, and I use it with that Just Peachy so that I can have one on the hourly and the other 2 on the dashboard. Now this is the icons, that's AO14, and we have our scallops, that is AO15, and I use those for the mood tracker. And then this is our clip art. I'm trying something new with that, not sure if I'm gonna keep using it. And this is DD 4A. If you're interested in certain parts of the video, the timestamps are in the description. If this is adding any value and helping you in any way, to like and subscribe. So here we go with our design. I'm going to put the date down first because y'all, short-term memory loss is real around here. I have narcolepsy, so So what we're going to do now is I'm just going to start with the left-hand side. I was going to talk about the tools, but they're in the description, child. I can't say it that fast because I'll be speeding through this, so y'all don't have to sit here for 20 minutes. So I can't say those that fast. But all of my tools that I always use are in the description box. So I'm going to take the washi and lay it down first. And then I'm going to white out the header at the top that says to buy and lay the remaining portion of the washi. Then I'm going to take that white out and hit up that focus and cover it up with one of the boxes. But now I normally, oh, that's just a stash book. Plannerkate sells those too. I normally use the DD in order to do my quote of the week. And I had purchased that already. And then decided I was going to use Just Peachy for my monthly, but realized it's too small. So I'm trying to make it work. I am, see me? I'm trying to, but it's too small. It's irking my nerves. So I go grab my DD. And DD for Happy Planner people stands for Daily Duo in Erin Condren. So I just layer those 2 stickers, and we're going to make it work like that this week. Okay, somebody. That's all we're going to do. Now I'm going to take that box and put that box down. I was going to use one, but because I use that DD, I didn't want that same color to go on top. So now I'm just looking for some different colors because I put my vertical boxes down, and I don't want pink on top of pink on top of pink. I can't stand that. That's too much. So I grabbed the monthly kit to get some extra headers because those headers were green. So I'm using those instead of our standard appointment headers that I use. Now that's my family time. This sticker is actually on sale, which means she's probably doing away with it, because she does have a new family time. So I'll put the new one and the old one in the description so you can pick whichever one you want. I'm simply putting now the icons that are initials for my family, and those can be pink. So do you understand why I don't want pink on top of pink on top of pink? Too much. So now I'm just putting that sidebar down because I like cohesiveness, y'all. I like cohesiveness. And I also tend to like the sidebars better because they have no words. So I'm not trying to manipulate how to not cover up the words. So now I'm just manipulating how far out I'm gonna push my checklist. I started using the checklist instead of the day list that is getting laid down right here, and then the tracker, because the checklist made it easy for me to just write what I needed to clean instead of telling myself I'm gonna do it on a specific day and it just didn't happen. Okay, so I put that green calculator down there because I normally put the budget on the other side, so I don't know what I was smoking at that particular point in junction that I put it over there, but that is not where that goes. It does not belong with the tracker. So I'm putting now the headers down, trying to get all the different little headers onto the different spaces. I'm gonna rip this one up because that's my to call section. Rip that up, and because it's just a bar all the way across, it makes it easy to just rip it up. And I see my kids, see them throwing a mess on my table. Get off my table. It makes it easy to just rip it up and keep going. So now I'm putting down the to clean and the this week and the to call and the don't forgets. Now I want to do some icons, but the icons are pink again. I need more color. And then I said, well, maybe I should use this organize my life. And I got ready to use it and said, put that don't forget back down. I mean, not organize my life. We're not doing that either. And you can see I ripped up that calculator because that is not where that goes. So since the calculator is green, the tracker is green, we're gonna make the calculator pink, because the icons that are in the 2020 list that I'm used to using, they don't have those in the 2023. So I'm trying to find something, and I found another kit which was 227, excuse me. Numbers 227 is out of the 2000 series. 327 is out of the 2021 series. So that's the difference. So now I'm using the 227, which is out of the 2000 series. And you see all those icons on that page? That's what I was used to using. So now I got the calculator in the right space. So now I got a little bit more green. That green on green is okay, because all that pink on that page, you gotta level out those colors, y'all. Sorry, I'm a graphic designer by trade, so yeah. Now these, I had all the shades of the right color, but I went to the monthly one. I don't know why I did that. I don't know. I don't have no justifiable reason to tell y'all. I'm gonna be honest. Now this sticker was so cute, and I went up to show y'all, like, y'all really gonna see that, because I speed through all my videos. So how the devil were y'all gonna see that? I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. But anyway, so I'm putting the rest of the little clip art stickers down. I'm kind of playing with this because I'm very adamant about using my stickers by Rhonda, but some of the ones from the clip art are really stinking cute. So I'm gonna see, because I want my weekly cost to go down, and the clip art is $4.50. So we'll see. So I'm just putting in my quotes, and this side of the half is done. So we're gonna slide that over, because we're gonna do Rhonda at the end. Because now that I'm adding the clip art, I need to see where all the clip art goes. So we're gonna put the border down now on the right side, and then put the top header at the top. Now y'all, I'm gonna be perfectly honest, I batch these recordings, so it'll probably be June before some differences come, because I've done a good portion of May. But I put down Bible study. See, I grabbed it, wasn't quite long enough, so I grabbed that extra little piece. I put down Bible study in this section, but let me be honest, y'all, that app, I don't be looking at it that much anymore. I gotta find something else to do with that other side. Now the weigh-ins, yes, I use that part. Now I'm just gonna take that box that was the peaches earlier, put it on the side, and I'm fitting to white out all of the dates. This is why I write the dates down, so I don't forget. Mind you, I got a calendar, but just write it down where I'm working. So I'm gonna put all the dates down, and this is AO3. This is the one I forgot to put in the beginning of the show. So this is AO3. These are the individual ones, and with the dashboard layout, you have to use this one. You cannot use the strips. So I'm just gonna put all the dates down, and when I get finished, I have a thick little pile of all of those that are left over. So I'm putting in my weekend and get that on there, but I have a pile of the little numbers that are left over, and I use them for the rest of the month. So now there it is, real fast. But now I'm just gonna use the asterisks to identify my son's classes and put the school on the side. I think I'm gonna do that from now on. I don't know why I didn't do that before, but now I'm putting down all his different little classes and my son's preschool time, because one of my kids goes to preschool twice a week. So there's his preschool, and I'm going to do that in green. See how I put that pink back? Too much pink. Need some more green. And then my other son has special classes with his virtual teacher. He's been in virtual school the entire year. So we have special classes. So now I'm gonna get my mood tracker and put my mood trackers down first. And I like to alternate the colors. And so since the light pink is more predominant in everything, and the darker pink isn't as much, I'm switching them out. So the dark pink and the green is on one side with the light pink at the bottom, and the two pinks are on the other side with the green at the bottom. And I'm just sticking in as many of those green homeworks as I can, and we're gonna get the green rubber duckies. Y'all, these are so freaking cute. Oh, to go for my bath times. They're so stinking cute, y'all. I'm telling you, they're so freaking cute. They're so cute. Give me just a moment. Okay, little people are trying to hide from the from the sunlight, so we're gonna keep going. Groceries and laundry and trash days I'm identifying in my planner day, so that I can go ahead and get those written down. And then I got a couple of dots where I think I have things that might happen, but I'm not sure. And then here we go with the clip art. So again, I'm trying to keep that color balance, because right now it's pretty even, but I spent this money for this doggone clip art. Baby, we fitting to use this clip art, okay? Now I'm gonna get that margarita, yes. And I'm gonna move that peach to the other side. But it's time for my girl, it's time for Rhonda. So, I'm gonna put in my nails, and I want to put my breathe right there, and realize I clean on Saturdays. I ain't got no to clean up there, so I put my little sticker up there. So this is all Rhonda,
what,
and I'm
you
finished.
are exactly where you need to be today.
Bye bye now. If you'd like to see more, please click the links here and here. Thanks again.